In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add your sticker on your Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then swipe to the right to activate story camera, and then just take a picture just like that. After that, you will be able to add any sticker to that picture, including add yours. To do that, just hit add that stickers icon and then just search for add yours. I got it right here, but if you don't, you can use search in that way, and then just tap add that sticker to add it to your story. After that, it will ask you to write some prompt here. You can type in your own text, or if you want to get some inspiration, you can tap add that dice, and that will put right here some random prompts. For example, Thursday vibes, I like it, and then you can just hit add done, and now you can move it around. You can place it on any position within the screen, and after that you can continue editing your story. I recommend you also to tag some people to make sure they see your story and to increase the chance for them to respond on your add yours. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.